Recent data from the WHO shows that a lot of people, around 80% worldwide, use herbal medicines for their health. If you're one of them and want one solution for many health issues, you're in luck. There's a herb in Asia that is not just culturally important, it also has many health benefits. In this video, we're going to explore 10 reasons why you should have lemongrass tea, and we're also going to share the best recipe, which is a game changer. 1. Help soothe your tummy woes. If you're dealing with tummy troubles like cramps, vomiting, or feeling bloated, lemongrass tea could be your new best friend. Lemongrass tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping to ease issues like nausea, vomiting, bloating, and constipation caused by undigested food. Plus, if you've been suffering from gastric ulcers due to unrelated stomach problems, lemongrass tea might just be what you need. According to a 2012 review by the Natural Institutes of Health, lemongrass has shown effectiveness in treating gastric ulcers. It might also have properties that fight off harmful microbes, keeping your gut healthy and happy. So next time you're feeling uncomfortable after a meal, give lemongrass tea a try and wave goodbye to those annoying digestive problems. 2. Bring down your cholesterol levels. One of the most celebrated benefits of lemongrass is cholesterol management. For years, lemongrass tea has been a go-to remedy for tackling high cholesterol and maintaining heart health. Numerous studies have found that along with many other health perks, lemongrass tea can also help lower cholesterol. This is all thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties and other beneficial components it contains. Lemongrass is packed with important compounds like citral and limonene, which are thought to play a role in lowering cholesterol. These compounds might work by slowing down cholesterol production in the liver and helping the body get rid of it. Additionally, lemongrass has antioxidants that protect against the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, lowering the chances of plaque building up in your arteries. Backing its effectiveness, a study from 2007 showed that lemongrass oil had a noticeable effect on lowering cholesterol in rats fed a high cholesterol diet for 2 weeks. However, it was found that the response varied depending on the dosage, which means different doses for different results. 3. May help slim you down effectively. If you want to lose extra fat cells, lemongrass tea might just be the secret beverage you need. Not only does lemongrass tea enhance your digestive system, but its natural diuretic properties can also amplify weight loss efforts. Surprisingly low in calories, a comforting sip of lemongrass tea can help curb overeating by keeping you feeling satisfied. What makes it effective is the fact that lemongrass tea is packed with polyphenols, compounds known to ramp up energy expenditure and fat burning. This means more of your daily energy comes from burning fat, leading to more effective weight loss. For health-conscious individuals, lemongrass tea doubles as a detoxifier, jump-starting your metabolism and aiding in weight loss. Simply incorporate lemongrass tea into your daily routine after meals to reap these benefits. Don't know how to prepare it? We will give you simple steps to brew your own lemongrass tea and kickstart your journey to a healthier, slimmer you. 4. Manages anxiety and promotes restful sleep. Packed with compounds like citral, lemongrass has a sedative effect that works wonders for improving sleep quality by soothing your immune system. Plus, its calming properties can help ease stress and anxiety. In a 2015 study, lemongrass was found to have a similar effect to lavender oil, slowing down brain reactions that trigger anxiety and stress. So next time you're feeling restless, sip down lemongrass tea for some natural relaxation. 5. Helps alleviate all forms of pain. If you're not a fan of popping paracetamol for every ache and pain, lemongrass tea should be your new go-to remedy. Packed with bioactive compounds like myrcene and citral, lemongrass offers natural pain relief for headaches, muscle aches, stomach pains, and even rheumatism. In fact, one 2017 study found that applying lemongrass oil topically helped reduce arthritis pain in people, with pain levels dropping from 80 to 50% within a month. Plus, lemongrass tea has also proved its effectiveness in treating headaches. Studies suggest that lemongrass tea works similarly to aspirin in treating headaches by preventing blood platelets from clumping together. This headache-fighting ability is thanks to eugenol, a special extract found in lemongrass. And if you believe that this information just tackled your major issue, be sure to subscribe to Natural Education for more helpful tips like this. 6. Makes your skin look radiant and healthy. Lemongrass tea isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a boon for your skin too. Packed with skin-loving vitamins and brimming with antioxidants, antiseptic, and anti-stringent properties, lemongrass tea is a skincare superhero. It works wonders by minimizing pores, balancing natural oils, and leaving your skin glowing with radiance. Using lemongrass essential oil can further tone and revitalize your skin. Whether you sip on the tea or incorporate the essential oil into your skincare routine by adding it to shampoos and soaps, lemongrass works its magic. Not only does it sterilize pores and strengthen tissues, but the citral in lemongrass also lends a hand in preventing skin cancer, which is definitely amazing. 7. Treats anemia naturally. Anemia, characterized by low hemoglobin levels, is a common issue, especially among menstruating women. More than just feeling constantly tired, it can lead to symptoms like a racing heart and pale skin tone. If you're grappling with anemia, you've probably heard about the benefits of iron-rich foods for combating it. And when it comes to natural remedies, lemongrass is a standout option. Among its many perks, lemongrass excels in boosting hemoglobin levels in the blood. Packed with iron and a host of other essential nutrients, lemongrass naturally increases your blood count, offering relief from anemia without relying on supplements. 8. Gives your body the much-needed detox. Ever given the cucumber and mint detox a shot? If you have, then you get why detoxing is key. Just like tidying up your room, your body needs a cleanup too. Lemongrass can lend a hand in detoxing your system. Thanks to its diuretic property, lemongrass works wonders on your body's fluid content, flushing out harmful toxins that can otherwise accumulate and cause damage. 9. Helps boost your immunity. Lemongrass tea boasts antibacterial properties that provide relief from colds and flu. Rich in vitamin C, it also strengthens the body's immune system. Simply boil lemongrass leaves with cloves, tea leaves, and a pinch of turmeric. This easy-to-make tea helps break down mucus and phlegm buildup caused by congestion. For an alternative remedy, try a hot blend of tulsi leaves, lemongrass, and cardamom to combat the common cold. 10. Reduces hair fall. You know what's a big problem these days? Hair fall. It's like everywhere you look, someone's dealing with it. Maybe you're one of them, feeling the struggle of losing hair and how it messes with your confidence. But one 2016 study on male albino rats revealed a significant increase in hair follicle count during the initial observation period. Ultimately, it was concluded that lemongrass might actually help treat baldness too, thanks to its hair-growing powers. Oh, and if dandruff's bugging you too, lemongrass oil could be your secret weapon. Just slap some on your scalp and watch those flakes disappear. So now you understand that lemongrass tea has the potential to enhance your life, but the question remains, how do you make it? Well, you have the option of using either raw lemongrass or powdered lemongrass. Here's how you can prepare it. Begin by washing the raw lemongrass stalks and cutting them into smaller pieces. Then add the pieces to boiling water and allow them to steep for about 5 minutes. Afterward, strain the liquid, and it's ready to drink. If you prefer to use powdered lemongrass tea, the process is similar, except you don't need to boil the powder. Simply add the powder to a cup of hot water. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then enjoy your tea. And if you want to know more about herbal teas, then check one of the favorite videos amongst the natural education community to understand what happens to your body when you drink yerba mate tea.